In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two columns in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially if you're working with large data sets and need to spot differences or confirm similarities between two lists of information. Now let's dive straight into the process. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Google account and proceed to open Google Sheets. Once you're in, make sure you have your data ready in two separate columns, say columns A and B. This setup will allow us to perform our comparisons seamlessly and efficiently. The most straightforward method to compare values in these columns is by using a formula. We'll set up a simple yet effective formula that will tell you whether each pair of cells from the columns matches or mismatches. If the values in a row between columns A and B are the same, we'll display the word match. Conversely, if the values differ, we'll show mismatch. This visual cue is very helpful when you glance through the sheet, providing instant feedback on where discrepancies lie. To implement this, let's move to cell C3, where we'll start inputting our formula. Remember, in Google Sheets, all formulas begin with an equal sign, so start by typing the equal sign. The formula we're going to use employs the if function. Within the parentheses, A3 and B3 refer to the specific cells being compared. If they are the same, Google Sheets will output match, otherwise mismatch. Once you've written out your formula in C3, you're not just limited to checking this single row. Google Sheets allows you to apply the formula across multiple rows easily. After entering the formula, click on the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell, known as the fill handle. Drag this handle downwards along column C to apply the formula to other rows. This action will automatically compare each subsequent row in columns A and B using the same logical structure as in C3. Why is this task essential? Comparing two columns is invaluable for checking data entry errors such as typos or mismatched entries, which can often go unnoticed in large data sets. By quickly identifying these mistakes, you can maintain data integrity and ensure the accuracy of your work. Once you've completed the comparison, you'll be able to spot differences instantly, saving you time and effort in managing your data. So, whether you're auditing a spreadsheet or simply ensuring consistency between data sets, this technique is a fantastic tool to have in your data management arsenal. Remember, mastering tools like Google Sheets not only streamlines your workflow, but also empowers you to handle data more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to compare two columns in Google Sheets. Make sure to experiment with other formula options to further customize your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.